Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm coming on to cook. So this is my flour for my chicken wings. That's what we decided we were going to have. Some chicken wings and some putting in some Lawry seasoning. So it's easier for me to do the flour in here than it is for me to do it in a bowl or something. It's just easier for me to transport that. Some Lawry seasoning salt. Hi, Angel. How are you? Not gonna say hi? I thought you would. I know you are. What are we tired from? We didn't do anything.
Well, we did do something. Sit in the bed and the couch.
Yeah, well, we did go to the bakery.
Yes, we walked.
We did walk. Yeah, we did go out. Some pepper. Got some paprika. I got some white pepper. That's just because I picked up white pepper. No reason for it. And the other pepper, I don't feel like opening it. I didn't know it wasn't open. Got a little sriracha. And I got some garlic salt back there, but I got to get the chicken wings anyway. Want to hand me the garlic salt off right there? Please. Got a little sriracha. Got some garlic salt. Now this garlic salt, I got it from the dollar store. It seems to be sticking for some reason, and that's unusual. And I got not one, but two of them. Be careful. Yeah, some of it did, but not enough. Do it again. Okay. She's making faces at me. I think it's coming out now. So that's good. So now, I gotta get the chicken wings.
Where is it?
In the bag right there. You wanna get them? Be careful. You gotta wash your hands. Well, they're in the package right now, so. How many you want?
Yeah. 2.
That's all you want is 2? I'm gonna make 4 just in case, because you know how you change your mind.
Okay. Should make 4 then.
4 for you. These are the tender, delicious chicken wings. He must have got these. I don't know whose these are, so not that it matters, but chicken wings are chicken wings, but I'm just saying. Come on, seriously? And the ham sandwich? Okay, I gotta cut them this way. Now, revamp them in the bag. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. Just hanging with my grandchild. Her sister was here earlier, and she went home, and so it's just me and her. I'll put that back over there, and then wash your hands, because the bag's open, and and I'll put them up in a minute. So then I'm going to zip this up, and I hold it like this, and I just put it. That's why I do my onion rings and everything, because it's just much easier for me. When you got arthritis and stuff like that, you got to find things that work for you. So I got this. I'm gonna put these in, wash my hands, and come back and make the coleslaw. The rice is already in the pot. You know how to make rice. You know how to make coleslaw and everything too. You just watch me because you like me.
Me too.
You watching me because you like me?
No, I was saying they're watching you because they like me.
Oh, okay. Move that chair over, please.
Back or forward?
Forward, this way. Okay. You sound like you're really tired.
What did I do?
You just yawn.
Oh.
You didn't even hear yourself yawn?
Uh-uh.
You must be going to bed early tonight.
My eyes are sleepy. That's just it.
Oh. Gotta wash my hands. I had it in the chicken. You should be tired. You don't want to get tired.
Are we still going up in the art room today?
Yeah.
We doing a video up there?
Mm-hmm.
We doing a video up there?
Probably so. I think that would be good, don't you? We're going to do an art video.
Stay tuned. I only have 4 videos on my channel. I didn't get any videos.
Well, that's because you don't send it out. I have to show you how to send it
No,
out.
I only sent you 4 videos.
You only did 4 videos?
Yeah.
How many people do you have on it?
Subscribers?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna laugh.
No, I'm not.
8.
Right, because you didn't send it out. I'll show you how to send it out so you can get more visitors.
Yes, sir.
It takes time. Okay, so this is the sugar already in the bowl. In the bottom there, just a little bit.
I thought that was salt.
No, it's sugar. This is the coleslaw. This is already done. I have cabbage to slice up, but sometimes I just can't do it. This is one of those days.
Oh.
Well, it's cabbage slaw actually, but people like to call it coleslaw. What?
It's cold.
You're cold?
Yeah.
Is that why you're getting next to me?
Yeah.
You think I'm going to keep you warm?
Yeah.
That's so good. One time, when I was at the food bank, I used to do the food bank for the church years ago. Well, I'm only nuts. I just stopped it's been about 2 years, I think. But they gave us this big bags of cabbage slaw. And my mother-in-law was alive then. And we said, well, we could probably blanch it in the freezer, but who makes that much slaw? And then we were thinking, it's cabbage. We can do things with it. So we made a lot of good things with it. Putting a half a cup, well, I put a capful of apple cider vinegar into the coleslaw.
Apple cider?
Apple cider vinegar.
Why not just apple cider?
Well, if I had it, I probably would put apple cider because this is good, I'm sure.
I like apple cider.
Do you really?
The stuff you could drink?
That you can't drink.
I know. And besides, I don't like it.
Okay, that's some salt. Yeah, wow.
I like salt and vinegar chips.
And then I put a little bit, just a little bit of Lorry seasoning salt, goes a long way. I'm gonna put some pepper.
Did you get new ones again?
What? New, no. I didn't actually. Well, no. Okay, now I'll put the mayonnaise in. Real easy for me anyway. Other things go in there. Sometimes people put pickle juice, but it depends on what kind of
Pickle
mood.
juice?
Sweet pickle juice, not sour pickle juice. Well, some people probably put sour pickle juice in it. Some people like their stuff sour. I don't. I like, yeah, well, yeah, I like dill pickles. But I mean, and I like olives. I know. You don't.
Olives? Wait, let me tell the story.
Go ahead.
So when I was just about young.
When you were just about young, like you're not young now.
When I was younger, like 5. When I used to live here, and Amira was here. Was it you who had the olives or Poppy?
No, it was me that had the olives.
So she had the olives, and I thought they were grapes, and she told me that they were not. She told me that they weren't grapes. I'm like, yes, they are. She said, no, they're not. I'm like, yes, they are. And then she gave me one, and I had it, and it was disgusting. And I went into the room with Amira, and I told her the whole entire story. But I don't like olives.
Yeah. Well, there's a lot of things that I told you that were not, that you had to do anyway.
I don't know.
I guess that's just little hidden.
Ranch.
Dressing?
No, ranches. They have olives that have ranch inside.
Oh, really? Well,
I think it's ranch.
They stuff olives all the time.
Yeah, stuff with ranch. I'm pretty sure it's ranch at least. But
So they stuff olives all the
did you
time.
just get a new can?
Yes, I did.
You got up and got in the fridge?
Nope, I had it out already. You think I'm crazy?
Let's say if you did, I didn't see it.
Nope.
I'm cooking dinner
You're cooking dinner?
at my house. I'm gonna cook dinner.
Uh-oh.
Hey, I make good dinner. I cooked French toast.
You cook French toast?
French toast.
Okay, well you said French toast.
No, I said French.
No, you said French.
I said French.
French.
Guys, comment down below if I said, wait, what was it? French?
Mm-hmm.
If I said French toast or French toast. I'm pretty sure I said French. Can you tell me to check out my channel?
You're going to put them all up? You're going to give me the... Not, can you check out the channel? Because I have to... Yeah, I can. But I have to find the links.
Oh, that's my mom sent you the link.
Yes, I want all the links because we have links to different channels and such.
I know.
Okay, so this is it. Put this in the sink for me. Be careful, because again, I don't want you to get it all over your hands. And we're supposed to have to taste it.
Oh, as I was saying.
You want to taste it?
Sure. Mayonnaise.
Yeah, but it won't be in a little while. So that's done. So, for the most part...
You're done the video?
No, yeah.
As I was saying, if you just type chips roll and it comes out with all those chip videos,
Nope.
You go down and
I type chips roll, some other chip that I don't know.
I'll show you how to do it. Because
I need to put it on, I need to put her video and your mother's website.
You don't have to do it like that. You can just type chips roll and scroll down. And then you'll see it learn.
I did it and it wouldn't come up.
I'll show you.
Okay, well, you can show me after. Because your mother makes the t-shirts. Get out my chair.
Okay. At least that's how it works for my friend's phone.
What?
I scroll down.
Don't do it now. Don't touch that.
No, turn it off. I turned my phone. Like I scroll down.
So anyway.
And as I was saying, she just cut me off.
Well, that's too bad. So anyway, that's how you make.
How dare she?
I know, huh? How dare me? Okay, so we did our little chicken wings. They're frying. And I will take some pictures of it. And if you want to see the after effect, look it up on Instagram or on Facebook. I'm going now. I love you all. Take
Ow!
what happened?
Ow!
Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.
No. Bye-bye. I can say bye.
Well, then say bye and stop pulling on me.
Cut me off.